In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Eureka Math video that you are assigned to watch before we meet on Monday. So anytime you are assigned to watch a video or some type of homework, you're going to log into My MCPS Classroom. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So I'm on the Home tab. And again, up here is where you can find any announcements the teacher has posted. To find your assignments, you'll scroll down. And again, if you ever forget how to get to Zoom, here's our Zoom link. It will always be posted here. And so for this week, for Monday, April 6th, you'll go to week 1. You'll find Monday, April 6th. You'll click on the math video link. You'll scroll down and it says, please watch the video. So you'll click on the word video. This is the link to the video. And then here's the video you need to watch before we meet. Remember, when you're getting ready to watch this video, you want to make sure you have a piece of paper, a pencil, and 5 things to count ready with you. During the video, the teacher is going to ask you to pause or play your video. So here's how you play it. Push this little triangle, push play.
And 2
When he
is
asks you
3.
to pause, you'll push pause right there. Okay, so this is how you get to your math assignment, your video that you need to watch before we meet.